No? Oh, sorry, Joe. You're doing well. Now you gotta slide it out of there. And what are you doing? Very smooth.
I don't know what the deal is with all this Christmas in February stuff.
You gotta work for it, guys.
It's already opened my present.
No, Isaac got one out.
Elena did too.
And Elena's got one out.
I'm gonna wear that.
This one. This one.
Sure, if you want to take it off.
Rip it open.
Oh, Elena started. Why don't you start ripping that one open?
I'm not ripping open the. Oh my goodness.
What is it, Elena? Show me.
Oh my goodness me, what is that? It's elastics of all colours of the world.
And what are they?
Elastics for your entire life. Whoa, Isaac.
Do you make rings with them?
Well, I guess we have to open the second one.
Oh my goodness. Stomp rocket.
What is
Oh
that?
no, refill packs. I think maybe you have to open one of your other presents.
Yep.
What are rings?
Looks like trouble.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is what that's for. Oh my goodness.
We're making all of them.
Rainbow lumiere.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Are you sure I can make that? Plastic rings and bracelets.
I'm pretty sure I can make that.
I know.
And what is this? This is looking like we're all gonna get hurt.
What is it for?
What is that, Isaac?
What's it
Oh wow!
What do you need to do?
Is it like a kind of a pretend firework that he gets to shoot up in the air? That inevitably will get shot at us. Whoa. Wow.
What is that? Now I'm getting a bit scared. Like,
Is it a vacuum cleaner? No, I don't think so.
it's this. What is this anyway?
I think that gets shot up in the air. You have to stomp on the
Yeah.
pump and it shoots those rockets up in the air.
What rockets?
That one you were just holding.
Pretend fireworks.
Yeah, see you do this, Isaac, and oh dear.
Oh, I'm scared.
But how does this